Hello, children. This week, we're learning about the letter E. Can you think of words that start with the letter E? Good. Yes. Elephant, elevator, eagle. There are lots of words that start with the letter E. E makes the short sound eh, and the long sound E. What are all those little things flying around? That's right, they're bees. Our color of the week is black. What can you think of that's black? Gorillas are black. Shoes can be black. This week, our number is the number 4. It's very easy to draw the number 4. And we are also going to write the word for. See, that was pretty easy. Our shape is a rectangle. It's a fun shape to draw. Can you think of things that have a rectangular shape? How about cards? Or a calculator? Our sight words are find, for, funny, brown, but, and came. Why don't you try to make sentences, including these words? Have fun and have a great week.